Hello and welcome to Intellectual Corner, a place where we discuss serious topics such as politics or wars in a serious manner. Today we're going to take on the very serious topic of Lego Ninjago. So I have prepared a tier list and well, let's kick it off with our first ninja rating, uh, which will be Nya. So, Nya is an okay character, very boring, doesn't actually add something, like it's kind of an in your face, I am better than anyone because I'm a girl type of feel, but C or something like that. Okay, so next up is Sane. Uh, I'm going to take two versions of him. So the first one I think is maybe a B because everyone loves Sane. Like, how can you not like Sane? He's cool. He, well, he isn't funny, and he, well, he doesn't contribute much to anything in the show, other than, well, in second season he finds out he's a droid, but yeah, other than that, he's just cool. He has cool weapons, and that makes him good. And then we have Robot Sane. Uh, no, 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 no. No, no. Well, moving on, we have Kai. Uh, my personal favorite. Because he is red. Or well, that was what I thought when I was a kid, that he was the best because he's red and he has fire and a cool sword. And well, that's enough to put him in tier A. Now, for the worst character in the whole show, uh, fuck. Okay, well, let me try again. We have, well, as you could see, Jay. He sucks. He, I can't even put him in F tier. He just goes outside in his own little J tier. He's unfunny and stupid, and I don't like him, and he's bad. No one likes him. Okay, and then we have Cole. Well, yeah, maybe A. I know he has a cool weapon, and he is brown, or well, he he has power of brown. And now one of the cooler characters, definitely Sensei Wu. He he is actually over 1,000 years old, which makes him a boomer, but he is the coolest boomer I know. And yeah, he is definitely S tier, S for Sensei, because he is better than all the ninjas. Even though he's a boomer, he can kick their asses. Okay, now on to the worst ninja outside of, well, J, and that is Lloyd, because, or well, the Green Ninja, whatever you call him, because, well, he just comes into the show and then I'm just a little kid, I'm stupid and lame and no one likes me and I'm dumb. And then it just becomes, uh, yeah, the best ninja. He even becomes gold. No one likes him. Or, well, everyone, but not me. Okay, and then we have Kid Lloyd. He's an annoying piece of shit that no one actually likes, but he's better than the Green Ninja because at least he's just sucky at everything and not a piece of shit. Or, well, he's a piece of shit, but he isn't the chosen one. Okay, and then we have what used to be my favorite guy, Lord Garmadon, here in pajamas. He is very cool. Definitely A S tier. He even managed to get all the weapons, which, well, the gold weapons, which is kind of cool. And I mean, he's two minifigures on top of each other. How can't he be cool? Okay, then to a character I hadn't heard of until today, but she is purple, which is cool. So B, because purple is cool. Yeah. Okay, now to 1 OG season 1, and that is Samukai, which I first thought just was Kai, but evil. But yeah, he's the one that salvages all the weapons, or, well, takes them from the ninjas, and he he's dead. Uh, B tier, BC. Yeah, he doesn't really contribute that much other than, well, helping Garmadon. Okay, to the second last one, from season 2, Pi 4, which is, yeah, he's a snake. That's about it. Lloyd takes him or something. He wakes him up. Yeah, there's not much to say about him. He's annoying. And then to the coolest of all in all history, I think he comes in at the last episode in season 1. And that is, of course, Tariff. I mean, he has the power of brown. He's cool. He's kind of hot, if I'm going to be completely honest. And apparently everyone else thinks so. Well, I found a picture. Oof. Yeah. I think, yeah. There. Complete tier list. Not biased at all. I have once again proven that I'm capable of coming with factual and reasonable arguments, which I have completely thought through. And, well, See you next time.